This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to play Valheim and Pillar Chase 2 easy method. First, spawn near a cluster of pillars and mark a safe loop to run. Equip a spear or club and practice short sprint bursts to bait enemies toward pillars. Focus on spacing so pillars block their escape, then time parries and dodge rolls to create collisions that stun foes consistently. Start by identifying pillars that create natural choke points and plan your run route. Use sprinting to bait single enemies, then sidestep so they hit a pillar and get stunned. When they stagger, press with heavy attacks or short combos to maximize damage without overcommitting. Keep moving slightly after hits to avoid multi-enemy aggro and practice until your timing and spacing feel natural and reliable. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more guides. Quick recommendation. On another note, go darn tough for socks with a lifetime warranty. They keep your feet comfortable during marathon sessions and make chasing pillars less painful. I use them while testing builds and they really help. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Once you master basic pillar chases, test the technique on faster or heavier enemies to note differences in knockback. Use slopes or raised ledges to increase collision impact and time your attacks from above for safer follow-ups. Keep a small healing stack and monitor stamina so you can sprint, dodge, and hit without running dry. Regular practice in varied locations sharpens your judgment and consistency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.